Right, now today it's the it's the 23rd of December, and we were hoping it was going to be a nice day because rainy season's over, right?
Yeah.
But as you can see, this is what we've got, and it's never stopped since last night.
What always happen?
Yeah, we just finding it hard to get out and do videos.
Yeah.
But because these two are so excited to have a Jollibee and go to the new mall that's just opened, we're going to brave the rain and do a video today. But you know how I keep moaning, please forgive me, about everything electronic in the Philippines. I mean, I've about fixed this. I've just got to do the software, and there's one fan not working. I don't understand why, but it's no big deal. Now I want to show you this. Now you'll not believe this, but it's absolutely true. I kid you not.
It's not long last.
Right, this was a brand new fan, what, 6-7 months ago?
Just few months, not yet 1 year.
Well, it's only months, it's not a year, is it? Right?
Yeah.
Now every fan we've had hasn't lasted a year, has it?
Yeah.
Now this, we thought we'll get a bigger and more expensive fan because this one will last. Now I'm hoping you can see it, but can you see there's black there? Now I had to weld it. What I did was I got some plastic that I use for my printer, put the plastic on, pushed it together, put the plastic on, and got me heat gun and welded it back together. It was going along with this one, right? We've had to borrow this one from the shop. This was going, and that blah, 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 all clapping happened, didn't it? So I fixed that, and then a few hours later that just stopped. Just stopped.
Suddenly stopped.
Yeah. So this is what you've got to put up with in the Philippines. Now I've mentioned stuff in the past and people said, oh well, you must be really unlucky because we've not had a problem. But we've been having a problem, haven't we?
It's good that they have a spare fan in the shop, so I borrowed.
Yeah, but this is pretty rubbish. It's old, it's been fixed quite a few times, and it doesn't give much air out. There's only one setting on it, and that's it. So what we're going to do is take them out to Jollibee and have a look at the market.
Yeah.
So we'll be taking you along.
You need to buy
More candy, yeah. Now what I'm going to do is post this video today. What I normally do, and I apologise to patrons, but I hope you understand, if I don't post this today, it's going to look pretty silly because it's like Christmas tomorrow. So I want to post this today. So it will go on Patreon first, but maybe just for an hour or two. So please forgive me for that. It's this time of year, and we want to thank everybody that's sent us a Christmas present again.
Yeah, and then also the one who sent pizza.
What was his name? The one, oh wow.
George.
What's stick out? Yeah, George. George sent us a Shakey's pizza.
And then I like it.
Yeah, it was really sharp. What was it? Cheesy chicken?
Cheesy chicken, yeah. It's
Yeah,
very
or
nice,
chicken,
right?
no, cheesy chicken, yeah, it's our favourite. And he actually sent that out of the blue. We just got a knock on the door and there was a pizza here. So it was a good job we didn't eat anything, isn't it? But it was really, really lovely, and thanks so much. Again, we want to wish everybody a really good Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah. So you wanted to show them the ice candy you've made for the kids. She's really excited. She said, oh, let's show the ice candy. So we're going to show that. No, you're my female candy. This is the ice candy. So all that's ready to give to the kids tomorrow. We're hoping it's going to be a nice day. If it's not a nice day, we're going to have to wait till it's a nice day, because
it's not good.
otherwise it's going to be a disaster. Now, I ordered Mel a Santa costume, didn't I? And it's beautiful, really beautiful. And it would have been really nice because she's got lots of new clothes and shoes now.
Yeah, do you remember this?
That used to be Mel's, yeah.
Because it's that fit na to.
Yeah.
So I give it to him.
So,
I need more to buy new clothes because some of them is not fit to me.
yeah. And I think we best...
This what?
Oh, listen to it. So I think we best thank Bill again.
Yeah, thank you, Bill.
We can't, we can't thank Bill enough.
There's no words can say thank you to Bill, right?
No, he's a star, he's brilliant. We love Bill to death.
Show Sophia.
Sophia. She's getting good now, aren't you, baby, eh? At one time she just cried and cried and cried, didn't you? But now she just lies there googing. Hey,
Sophia.
Sophia. Hey, he's smiling. He's smiling at your daddy. Hey, I do that. No smiling.
Ate Belo bata. It's not Lolo. Oh, just pray again. Wait lang.
Hey, baby. Hello. Oh, baby. Are you going to smile at your daddy? Huh? No, there's too much going on. Now, I'm going to talk about some comments. Again, on the video that where my friend lost a lot of money. I want to talk about that, but I'll leave it till later, otherwise I'll have nothing to talk about. So we'll see how things go and see you in a bit. But wait! There's more! Forgot to show you my little son. He needs... Are you changing him, Mel?
We will bring him.
Oh, yeah, but I said, are you changing him or leaving him like that?
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
Now, we've got the window sorted out. We've double boarded it. So it's got a board on that side, it's got a board on this side. We had to cut the boards up a bit for the other side because it's got a metal thing on. But it all wants sealing and then painting. But it's solved them lovely birds issue. So that's another thing we wanted to show you because a lot of people were interested in what we'd done with that. So it was just an easy and cheap way of doing it, to be fair, because the other way would have been expensive, and like I said, we didn't want to spend any more money on the place because obviously it's not ours. Wow, what a day. And I was dreaming of a white Christmas, not this. It's very weird. But life goes on, business goes on. You always have to have somebody manning the shop. The chicken's about to be cooked. But I'm really on my juicing diet now. If I come off it by eating anything I shouldn't now, it's just going to be a waste of time. And it's been painful. But I'm feeling better for it. I feel, it's weird, you know. People sort of look at juicing and stuff like that as starving yourself, but it's not. It's not starving yourself. Mel, are we going to take Acta? Yeah. Acta! Acta! Come here. Do you want to go for a Jollibee? No? Oh, okay. Oh, that's new. Oh. What's that about? My God. That is really new. Look at these two, they put makeup on and they did it without a mirror and it's turned out quite good actually.
She's the one after the crowd.
Alright, okay. So Ma's looking after my little baby. She's changing so much. As soon as she's sitting up and stuff and then walking, she's going to lose all that weight. I'm sure she is. Oh, what's up? So, even though it's raining, or even when it's raining, Centro's always very busy. Oh look, we've got some 10 pesos oranges, 10 pesos apples. Might get some of them later. Do a deal. 15 pesos. I'll have some grapes I think later. So, brolly time. So we're going to show them the new mall because I haven't been yet, and when they saw the video of the day, them two big, whatever they were, I don't know, some kind of big mascot things, they wanted to go and see if they were still there. We're not going to show you in the mall because you've already seen it, and I know it can get a bit boring, as maybe these videos can.
Oh, there's a lot of selling buku.
Yeah, there's lemons as well, Mel. I need some lemon. Oh, the juice. You see that over there? The buku juice is clear. They're not putting any of that sweet stuff in it, are they?
Yeah.
Because that's really clear. We'll have some buku juice later. So look how busy it is.
Even it's raining, there's a lot of people here, right?
Yeah, I've just said that now.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping